I think we can all agree that there's something magical about looking up at the night sky. When I was a kid, I'd lie on the grass in my backyard, staring up at the stars, and imagine what it would be like to visit them. While I've never taken a trip to space myself, we've managed to send our mechanical representatives, rovers, to distant worlds like Mars. Today, I want to take you on a journey to understand these incredible machines, the Mars rovers, and why they capture our imaginations. Picture this: a vast, reddish landscape stretching as far as the eye can see, dotted with rocks and hills under a pinkish sky. This isn't a scene from a science fiction movie. This is Mars, a real place, not so different from the deserts here on Earth, yet completely alien. It's dry, dusty, and at first glance, lifeless. But thanks to rovers, we've been able to peel back the layers of this mysterious planet, bit by bit. Mars rovers are like robotic geologists. They're packed with tools and instruments to study the planet's surface and atmosphere. Imagine them as curious explorers, equipped with cameras for eyes, arms to scoop up soil, and detectors that act like noses, sniffing out chemicals and gases. They roll across the Martian terrain on wheels, leaving tracks in the dust as they go. Each rover is a little different, some more advanced than others, but they all share a common purpose: to help us understand Mars. The journey to Mars is no small feat. It's like throwing a dart from New York to Paris and hitting the bullseye. That's how precise scientists have to be when they launch these rovers. It takes months for them to travel across the vast emptiness of space. Just imagine the anticipation and anxiety as a rover approaches Mars, ready to touch down on its new home. I remember watching the live streams of the Perseverance rover landing, my heart pounding as it descended through the Martian atmosphere. When it finally sent back its first images, it was like we were standing there, gazing out across an alien world. But why Mars? Why do we send these rovers there? Well, Mars is fascinating for many reasons. It's one of our closest neighbors, and it's similar to Earth in some ways. Scientists think that long ago, it might have had water flowing across its surface, maybe even oceans and rivers. Where there's water, there's the potential for life. So one of the rover's main missions is to search for signs of ancient life, clues hidden in rocks and soil. I like to think of Mars rovers as time travelers in a way. They roam around, collecting samples that tell the story of Mars's past. When they drill into rocks or scoop up soil, they're uncovering the planet's history, layer by layer. It's a bit like being a detective, piecing together a mystery. And who knows, maybe one day we'll discover something that changes our understanding of life in the universe. The rovers also teach us about resilience and perseverance. Think of them battling harsh conditions, from dust storms that can blot out the sun to freezing temperatures that would stop most machines. Yet they keep going, sending back data and images, painting a picture of a world we've never set foot on. Their endurance is a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. As I talk about these rovers, I can't help but think of their momentous achievements as extensions of our own human capabilities. They are our eyes and hands on a distant world, exploring on our behalf. It's a humbling reminder of what we can achieve when we dare to dream big and reach beyond our own blue sky. One of the most moving moments for me was when the Opportunity rover, affectionately known as Oppie, sent its last message before it lost power. It said, "My battery is low and it's getting dark." That simple message from a machine so far away felt incredibly human. It reminded me of our own vulnerability and tenacity, the way we keep pressing forward even when the future is uncertain. In the end, Mars rovers are more than just machines. They're storytellers, revealing the wonders of a world so far from our own. They remind us of our innate curiosity, our drive to explore the unknown, and our endless quest for knowledge. As we continue to send these remarkable rovers to Mars, who knows what we'll uncover next? Perhaps one day we'll find the answers to questions we haven't even thought to ask yet. So, the next time you find yourself gazing up at the stars, remember that there are rovers out there, beyond the reach of our own sky, rolling across the Martian landscape, carrying the hopes and dreams of all of us who look up and wonder. As we explore Mars through their lenses, we're not just learning about another world, we're discovering more about ourselves and our place in the universe. Isn't that a journey worth taking?